Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. We have x squared plus in bracket 3x over x plus 3 all raised to power 2 is equal to 7, and here we want to solve for the value of x. So to solve this, solution, so we are going to say that let a equal to x while b equals to 3x over x plus 3. So this equation then becomes, we have a squared plus b squared, and this is equal to, in bracket, a minus b all raised to power 2 plus 2ab. So expanding this back right here, we then have that this becomes, we have in bracket a is x minus b is 3x over x plus 3, then all raised to power 2 plus 2 times a is x times b is 3x over x plus 3, and this is equal to, the whole equation is equal to 7. So this is equal to 7. Next, we have this can be written as over 1, such that the LCM of 1 and x plus 3 is simply x plus 3. Okay, all raised to power 2. All raised to power 2. So 1, we divide x plus 3, we have x plus 3. This will multiply x, so we have x into bracket x plus 3. Then we have minus x plus 3 divided x plus 3, we have 1. 1 times 3x. Then we have plus 2 times x times 3x is equal to 6x squared divided by x plus 3, and this equal to 7. So looking at this equation, we have the equation as, in brackets, x times x squared plus 3x minus 3x all divided by x plus 3 all raised to power 2, then plus, factorize out 6 from here, 6 into bracket x squared over x plus 3, and this equals to 7. Next, we have that 3x we cancel minus 3x, so we are then left with, in brackets, x squared over x plus 3 all raised to power 2 plus 6 into bracket x squared over x plus 3, and this is equal to 7. Next, we are then going to say that let x squared over x plus 3 equal to u. So this equation then becomes, we have u squared plus 6 times u is equal to 7. Move 7 over to the left hand side. This equation becomes, we have u squared plus 6 times u minus 7, and this equals 0. This equation is factorizable, so we have u squared plus 6u can be written as minus u plus 7u minus 7, and this equals to 0. Next, we can then factorize out u from this. This becomes u into brackets u minus 1. Factorize out plus 7 from this. We have plus 7 into brackets u minus 1, and this equals to 0. So we have a common factor, which is u minus 1, u minus 1. Pick 1, in brackets u minus 1. Then we have u plus 7, and this equals to 0. So from here, we can equate these two to 0. So we have u minus 1 is equal to 0, or we have u plus 7 is equal to 0. If we move minus 1 over to this side, the value of u is equal to plus 1. Or if we move 7 over to this side, the value of u is equal to minus 7. So at this junction, we are then going to recall that from here, we said let x squared over x plus 3 equal to u. So writing this down, recall that u is equal to x squared over x plus 3. And here we have two values of u. So this is the first case of u and the second case of the value of u. So in putting the value of u as 1 into this equation, we then have the equation to then become 1 is equal to x squared over x plus 3. So we can then cross multiply. So if we do so, we have that x plus 3 multiply 1, this becomes x plus 3 is equal to 1 times x squared, x squared. So we can then rearrange this equation, and this then implies that we have x squared minus x minus 3, and this equals to 0. So this equation can be solved making use of the quadratic formula. So this becomes x is equal to minus b. B is minus 1, then plus or minus the square root of b squared. So b is minus 1. So in bracket minus 1 all squared minus 4 times a is 1, then times c is minus 3. Okay, and this is then divided by 2 times a is 1. X is then equal to minus times minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared is 1 minus 4 times 1 times minus 3 plus 12 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. Next, the value of x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 12 is 13, and this is divided by 2. So from here, we have the first and the second solution of x from this. Meanwhile, for the second case, when the value of u is equal to minus 7, and put the value of u into this given equation, we have the equation as u is minus 7. So this becomes, the equation is, we have x squared over x plus 3 equal to u minus 7. So we can then cross multiply. Okay, 1 will multiply x squared is equal to minus 7 times x plus 3. So x squared is equal to minus 7x, then minus 7 times 3, 21. So we can then rearrange this equation as x squared plus 7x plus 21 equal to 0. So solving this equation, making use of the quadratic formula, we have the equation as x is equal to minus b is plus 7 plus or minus the square root of b squared, b is 7, so 7 squared minus 4ac times a is 1 times c is 21 divided by 2 times a is 1. Next, x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 1 times 21 minus 84 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So x is then equal to minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 minus 84 minus 35 divided by 2. So this can then be written as, we have the value of x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus, we can write root minus 35 as root minus 1 times root 35 divided by 2. Next, x is equal to minus 7 plus or minus root minus 1 is I, then times root 35 divided by 2. So with this, we have the third and the fourth solution of x. Meanwhile, the first solution of x from this right here is 1 plus root 13 over 2. So let's put it down. So the solutions of x are x1 is equal to 1 plus root 13 over 2. We have x2 as x2 is equal to 1 minus root 13 over 2. We have x3 is equal to minus 7 plus I, okay, plus I times root 35 divided by 2. And we have x4 is equal to minus 7 minus I times root 35 divided by 2. So these are the four solutions of the value of x for this given question. With this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you do, kindly like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.